Our company, Veransol Technologies Private Limited, has been working in field for defense products for last 30 years. And we have been working with various public sector units and DRDO. Our major customers are Bharat Electronics, Bharat Dynamics, Bharat Earth Movers Limited. Our components are typically like electromechanical jacks, which are controlled by electronics, electrical control panels, PLC, programmable, and they have been very well accepted in the defense. This is a component which is a handle which operates the electromechanical jack in case of failure of electrical components. Now this handle we have made out of aluminium from sand casting, and this used to frequently break when it's dropped because of the obvious reason is porosity. We can't go for pressure die casting because of volume limitations. So we were challenged by our customers, and when we got complaint from the field, they said give us something which is more durable and sturdy. We started looking for alternatives in the market. That's where we came across Markforged company, who had solutions in plastic 3D printing. Now why we selected Markforged is because they can give you either an onyx plain material, or you can blend the same with carbon fiber to improve the strength. And you can see the product is lighter by at least 40%, more durable. It has been dropped many times and nothing has happened to it. It can take the same loads. Minus temperature is not a problem. The operator doesn't feel cold while holding it by chance if his hands are bare. Even in the heat there's no problem. And it looks pretty good. This is one of the most complicated parts involving carbon fiber, blending it with that. But at the same time you have even simple components which is using the base material. These are covers for various electronic parts such as proximity switches, and this has been functioning really good. The best part is it has been UV stabilized, being light in the weight as well as the impact resistance is pretty good, and we are very happy with these components. The advantage with Markforged 3D printers is that you can not only make components in basic material, onyx, but as well as you can blend it with carbon fiber, glass fiber and Kevlar and enhance the performance of the component depending on your design and use. We are very satisfied with the technology, and we have been making components out of these which have been suitable for our needs. Besides this, we have very less turnabout time. Machines are very simple to use. The software can be learned by any engineer very quickly, and the response time has been good. Philips Additive Technical Center in Pune has been very helpful to us in installing the machine, hand-holding during the teething problems, giving training, and being around-the-clock support to us whenever we needed them. They were at our service when we gave a call within 24 hours. Thank you, Philips Additive.